Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back. Welcome back to another live video. I'm going to start in a minute. Okay, so I start a little early because I'm going to be explaining a little bit the hot box. So let's go to the 2 minutes time frame. I'm gonna explain quick the hot box, and then I will be jumping to the pre-market plan. Okay, I'm going to go to the Friday session. It's the one with the high volume. So here, Friday. Okay, guys, basically hot box. What I'm looking, the hot box, I'm looking for candles. I'm using the 2 minutes time frame, as you can see, and I'm looking for candles with high volumes, with significant volume. So what do I do? For example, as you can see here, this is from Friday. We have this candle, 2 minutes with high volume. We have widths on both sides, this one and this one. Today I'm going to be explaining only the hot box. The wick zone is going to be another video. So for example, on this one, what do I do? Candle, high volume. So what I do, I mark all the candle from top to bottom. That's what I do. What I'm expecting. Normally, the way I trade the hot box is quick scalps, because as you can see, it's a small sum. 742. Well, it's 40. It's almost 40 points, so it's not a small one, but you know. So what I do is I wait for some price action inside the box, and I try to trade from top. In this case, as you can see, it's coming down. In this case, what I will do, I try to trade it from top to bottom. One thing that I like about this box, this technique, is that you can place your stop loss really small. Okay, in this way, you see the candle broke it, but I will wait, because there are two ways of trading this hot box. You can trade the bounce, or you can trade inside the zone, like happening now. So let's say this candle close inside the box, another candle start forming. So what I will do, I will expect a rejection on the top of the zone, like this one, placing my stop loss just outside. Probably could be above, but most likely I will place it just here and try to trade it to the bottom of the zone, or close to the bottom, somewhere here. As you can see, if let's say you take the trade here, 740, and you put your take profit here, 715, so that means a lot of points. That's what I will do. Another way of trade it is, as you can see, the box broke it and start reject from below immediately. That's another way to trade. You can use the bottom of the box like a rejection zone. And here in this case, we have a daily level. Let's say you put your entry here on the bottom of the zone, you can easily go from here to the daily level, squeeze scalps. From here, 711, 699, so 10 points, which is good for a quick scalp. It's good. So this is an example of the hot box. Let's find another example. Okay, like this one. You see, you have this volume, and suddenly boom, another big volume. So you can mark it again, top to bottom or vice versa. This one was, to be honest, difficult to trade because it closed and immediately came down and opened here in the middle of the sun. So to be honest, I wouldn't be trading this one because we opened almost at the middle of the sun. So what I could do is just wait, because it started coming down immediately, right? So what I will do, I just wait the price to see the price action on the bottom of the sun to see if this guy is coming up to the top, which didn't happen, as you can see. Came down. But look at what happened here. She came inside. And what happened? From the bottom of the sun to top of the sun. So this could have been a good trade from this one to here, a quick one. That's another example of the box. Okay. Also, I'm gonna explain later this one, but this one could be also a weak sum. Actually, it looks better like a weak sum, but I'm gonna make another video later about the weak sum. Let's gonna focus only on this one. Okay, let's find this one. Good volume, not much. Okay, let's find another one. Let's find another. Okay, here, for example, look at this. We have this candle here, high volume, the red one. Market, and this is another one. As you can see, price came down and come back immediately. So this could have been another quick trade. I take from this one, from the bottom of the sun to, let's say, aiming 3/4 of the sun. That's another one. Like I said, the way of trading the box is trades inside the box or trades outside the box, using like a bouncing point or rejection point. 3 ways I trade these boxes. Okay, that's another one. This one is considered a weak zone. You have a big body, the top is flat and big wick, so I mark the wick. Expecting coming down. Probably I could have placed my limit order somewhere here. The price came, but not all the way down, so could have been a good trade if the order could have been taken from this part. Didn't happen, but that's another example of the weak zone. Okay, easy. Look at this. You see this candle here, this one, high volume. Okay guys, just to let you know, I'm having problem with the chat. For some reason the chat is not displaying on my window. I don't know why, and I cannot troubleshoot now because the only way to troubleshoot is to stop the transmission. So for the moment I cannot see the chat. If you guys are asking me something in the chat, It's not possible. I cannot see it. I cannot see it. Okay. So let's gonna continue. Okay, I have this candle here. You can see high volume. So marking. There you go. So how to trade this one? Price coming at the beginning. Well, we can say, okay, maybe the price is going to bounce on the top of the sun, but the price action, you need to wait for the price action to tell you the stories. Price didn't bounce, broke the sun and came down, came inside the sun. This could be another quick trade, taking the shorts, aiming for, close to the bottom of 3/4 of the sun. Quick trade, 7 to 8, 705, 20 points, 20 points trade. Like again, what I like about this technique is the stop loss can be quick, small, just outside, and the profits are very quick. So if you do 5 trades, 4 trades, 20 point, 50 point each, major calculation. That's what I like about this one. If you want to make a quick profit, you can do it. You can do it. Okay. Let's find another one. Let me delete this one. So remember, here we have another one. Consider I could be doing this for this one. Mark the wick zone and also mark like a hotbox doing this. Marking this one. High volume, this candle. As you can see, this guy came. Let's say you start taking shorts, immediately place your stop loss. You see, the price came until the middle of the sun, so you need to be ready with your stop loss. Let's say you take the shorts and you took some profit, because from here 658, 647, already 10 points, which is considered a quick call. You start taking profit. As soon you take your first trim, you need to place your stop loss at break even at least, or slightly in profit, because this is what can happen. You see, middle of the sun, immediately come up and broke it. So you need to be quick. Yeah, if we enter this short, we can say, okay, let's gonna aim to the bottom of the zone or the beginning of the wick zone here. Didn't happen, as you can see. That's why you need to place your stop as quickly as possible to break even or slightly in profit when you make your first trim, because 10 points is a good one to make the first trim. Remember, quick scalps, quick ones. Okay, I like these candles. Wicks on the both sides, high volume. Yeah, look at this. Didn't touch the top, but let's say you took it, and you see you can trade easily from 3/4 to 1/4 of the box, so you can trade inside. Broke it, making another sum here. This candle is making another sum, as you can see. Sorry, this one. Good volume. These are quick sums, guys. Quick sums. Another one. Okay, for example, this one, high volume, and you have a big wick. Mark the wick. So what I will do is, but I'll wait to touch the top of the wick As soon as I start seeing the rejection, taking the shorts from, let's say, this way to almost bottom of the wick zone. That's what I will do on this one. How big is this zone? Let's see, 536, 511, you see, 30 points. You see guys, 10 points, 20 points, 30 points zones. So if you do 4 trades, make your calculation. So, candles, high volume, big wick, I mark the wick like a zone. That's what I do. Let's find another one. Okay, this is the trade I took on Friday. One of the trade I took. I think was the last one. Let me explain what I did. I marked this candle because we had high volume on this one. So what I did, I marked it. Right? So the price broke it, but immediately came down. I was also looking at 1 minute on this moment. I marked the zone and I was jumping between the 1 minute time frame and the 2 minutes. So as soon as I start seeing this rejection, I took shorts and I closed it somewhere here because I was expecting also a bouncing on this. Why? Because you see the trend. So I was expecting a bouncing on the bottom of the zone. I notified Timber, okay, I'm expecting some bouncing here. So came down, broke it, but immediately came up. And I took the entry, aiming to, I think was somewhere here. I was aiming somewhere here, which happened. So I came out here in, and I took my final profit was here. And when you guys see this wick outside, I was looking, yeah, but why did it happen? It happened because, look at this, you have another wick zone here, another hot box here. You see this candle, high volume? The volume was low, and suddenly big volume. So if you mark this zone 2, look what the candle did. She came inside this box, took some orders, came inside the other box. So this is a good confirmation that, okay, this guy is gonna continue coming up because she took already this one, came inside the other one. So this is when I enter somewhere here. So that was another way to trade. This was my one of the last trade, the longs on this one. So that's what I do for the hot box, guys. Quick scalps. Yep, this hot box give us a big longs. But I was looking for a quick scalp. I was already with good money, so I was not expecting to be in long trade. Let's see what we have today. So that was a quick explanation of the hot box. I'm gonna make a better video explaining this hot box and wick zones, but I just want to share with you the first explanation. I'm still working on this strategy. I'm still trying to find the best way. Okay, now let's go to the charting. It's gonna start with QQQ daily. So candle from Friday, this one, the green one. As you can see, all these levels are gone because they were mitigated. Levels gone. This one still remaining. Just change the colors. And just changing the colors. Okay. Okay, marking the bottom, marking the high, then the open, then the close. That's QQQ daily. This one's still good. Now let's go to the 4-hour level. What do we have? So we have this kind of big volume, this one too. So what I will do, I will mark the bottom of this one, because we are still inside this level. It was touched but hasn't been broken yet, so I will mark the bottom of this candle. Yeah, as you can see, we have a big balance here, and we have also another one below. Let's see, it's going to change to daily and we'll see the scenarios later. Let's go into, I'm going to chart NQ now. Okay, this is NQ. Candle from Friday, all these levels are gone. Change the colors first before I forget. Okay, candle from Friday. There you go. Now the open. This one is gone as well. So we have daily for Friday candle mark. Now let's go to 4 hours. Candle with high volume. This one is already marked on the top. I'm not going to mark it the close here because it was already broken, but I'm going to mark this open here because this level is still clean. This candle also has a decent volume, so I'm going to mark this bottom here. From top we are still a big one, so let's see what the daily is. It's gonna define scenarios for this one. Okay, what do we see? What do we have? Look at this. Big body here to be filled. And we also have this small body here to be filled. Yeah. So our daily levels are here. The red ones are the most important ones for me. So what I could expect is a rejection on the red or the purple, or maybe in the middle of the zone somewhere here, to continue down and fill up all this body. Another one is breaking the purple one to fill up this guy here, heading to the next daily, which is this one. It's a big distance. For NQ we have wick. We don't have a body like this one, we have a wick. So reason why they can continue pumping. We are here currently, we are on the top of the red one. So other thing they can do is just yeah, maybe coming to these wicks because it has a high volume here, these wicks. So probably down, breaking this red, coming down, and that way they are filling up this wick, heading to the purple or close to these 4 hour levels. and suddenly they can reverse bounce, continue coming up to fill out this guy. Another one is they just continue up, break the purple, heading to white in that way, filling up. Okay, so that's what I see for NQ and QQQ. Let's chart. Let's define. Let me see. Okay. 10 minutes to make it easy. Okay, remember what I said for this one. Scenario number 1 could be and loss. Okay. Rejection on the red one could also be in the middle of the sun, or the purple one. Rejection, breaking the red, expecting a little rejection here again, to head into the next one, to the next red, which is daily. Save for NQ. Rejection on this red or the purple, continue down to the next purple one. These are my main magnets. That's what I'm always focused on, this purple, red, purple. These are the most important of the day. Rejection, breaking red, expecting a little bounce to rejection on the neck on this red to come down to the purple. Yeah, we can easily bounce on these 4-hour yellow lines. Price action will tell the story, okay? That's why we need to keep always looking price action, see what they want. But these are my main lines for the day. That's why my first scenario is always inside these lines, because these are magnets. Okay, scenario number 2. Also today, we can expect a low volume, no big move, so be ready for today as well. Another one, like I said, breaking the purple. We can, breaking the purple to continue to the next white. That's another one. Okay guys, like I said, my chat is not working at the moment. So, breaking, bouncing purple, coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up to the next white. Daily to daily. Same for NQ. Pumping, breaking purple, bouncing, coming up. That's another one. Those are the only 2 I can see for the moment. That's what we have. That's what we have, guys, for QQQ and NQ. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Look at this. 2 minutes time frame. Candle with high volume. Look at this, a new one. Marking the sun. See what happened, rejection on the top of the sun. See what it does. Let's see if we can go. We have a level here, so let's say you take a short somewhere here, confident that the rejection is happening. You take the short, your next point will be the red, because you have a daily level just inside the sun. That's what I will do, placing my order my last TP here, or just above the TPs. That's what I will do. If I'm confident with the rejection, take the short quick from here to here, boom, you see, level touch. Now, in this case, you make a first trade here. So other thing that you can do, okay, let's see what happened at the bottom of this zone. Let's see if the longs are confident. If the price doesn't give you some confidence, you can take longs, or another is, okay, let's see if it breaks and see what happens. Because you have also this candle here with big volume. If you market, so you have two zones. You have this one and you have this one. This can give you some extra confidence about. One thing could happen is this guy could come, break the bottom of this zone to come inside this and give you a quick liquidity grab and come inside again the box. Let's see what happens. It's very slow right now, that's what I don't like. Trade pre-market. Let's see what happens. For the moment, it's bouncing on the daily level red line, which is inside one of the box. I prefer to wait one of the edges of the box, even this one or this one, see what happens, or this one, because right now we are some kind of the middle. I don't like to trade middle zones. I always waiting for the limits. See, come on, move. So it's gonna give it 2 more minutes. I have to get ready for Team Bull. Let's see what's happening. Again, this candle already gave one trade, which was short. So from this one to daily level, a good one. Now it's coming down. We can expect a bouncing on the bottom or a break to come to this bottom of this zone, which is this candle. Let's see. Yeah, I know it's bouncing, but again it's in the middle, and I don't like the middles of the zone because it can go any side. So it's better to wait the limits. Okay, 1 more minute. Just gonna give it 1 more minute. Okay, we are at the bottom of the zone. Okay, let's say wood. Okay. What I would do in this case is take the position. My stop loss could have been the bottom of this zone, because we have another zone here. My take profit probably close to the top, somewhere here. So entry point somewhere here. As soon as I saw the bouncing, entry. placing my stop loss just outside this one, not this one, because could easily take some liquidity here to continue the pumping, aiming to the top or just close to the top, somewhere here, because from here, from the entry point 562 to this one is 583, 20 points, guys, 21 points, which is enough for these quick scalps. 20 times 5 trades, how many points? Make your calculation. 20 times 5. You see? Let's see what it does. Remember, stop loss really tight, just outside the box. Come on, move. Okay. Okay. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. I have to go. So far, it's green. I'm not trading. I'm just showing you what I will do. I'm not trading now because too slow. But I'm just showing you how I use this hotbox. As you can see, it's green already. You see from this point, which was the entry 562, until here is 573, already 10 points. So first string already done. So when I do the first string, I immediately place my stop loss at break even or just outside, or just in profit. So from here, it's already a free trade for you, for the runners. So 10 points, trim, stop loss immediately move to break even or slightly in profit, and your trade is free. As you can see, it's coming up almost close to the take profit. When I'm doing quick scalp like this, I'm using between 5-8 counts, trimming. Someday I'm gonna go heavy on this one, 10 or more than 10 counts, but for the moment, when I'm doing this quick boxes, I do 5-8, depends of the price action, to be honest. You see? Down. That was a quick trade. Quick one. This is how I use it, guys. This is how I do the trades on these boxes. Please, if you can leave your comments on the chat, I will read it once I close the software, because right now I cannot see it. But I will take a look on the comments. I know maybe the explanation is not good on the boxes, but I'm gonna make it better. I'm gonna make a better video. Okay? Right now this is a live video. Again, candle, high volume. Let me delete this one just to avoid confusion. Candle, high volume, mark all the candle, expecting some trades inside the box, which we simulate one from the bottom to almost 3/4 of the box. There you go. I hope you guys like it, but I have to go now, my friends. Thank you very much for joining me. Please leave your comments and I will read it on the chat. I will read it. Please trade smart and trade safe. Okay? Bye bye. Thank you.